Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Mikooshoe.com review. So, you might be wondering what is Mikooshoe.com here. Well, Mikooshoe.com is an online store that focuses on sneakers and casual footwear. Now, the website offers a variety of styles for men and women, including running shoes, lifestyle sneakers, athletic shoes, and casual everyday footwear. Products are organized into categories, making it easy to browse by style or collection. Now, the store lists sneakers in a range of colors and design, with each product page showing photos available, sizes, pricing, and description of the shoe. Now, depending on the model, prices vary here, and for some products are offered at discounted rates during sales or promotional events. Now, the website also displays information about available stock before you place an order. Now, using the website is quite straightforward here. Start browsing the sneaker collections or using the searchers feature to find specific styles. Now, once you've selected a pair, choose your preferred size and, if available, your color option. Add the item to your shopping cart, review your order, and continue to the checkout page where you can enter your shipping and payment details to complete your purchase. Now, each product page typically includes multiple product images, sizing options, pricing, and basic product information to help you choose the right pair here. Now, the website also provides standard shopping features such as shopping cart, order checkout, and customer account options for managing purchases. Now, overall, Mikooshoe.com is an online sneaker store that offers a selection of casual and athletic footwear. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.